exchange between the distribution. There is researchers and student university and industry. So
Yeah, we will continue expanding our investment
which enable more greater hydrogen
to decarbonize their transportation.
with a very excellent presentation in terms of
Thank you very much.
the root of the interesting.
This all this month. It has a lot of potential.
My main question is
I am so happy and so impressed with all the things that we see in the last days, all the technological development that we contemplate.
So the feeling I have visiting Envision places around here is that we are already in the future, and working with brilliant students and professionals